Hey my people, welcome back to Music and Country Life. Now, these are the top benefits from drinking SOURSOP leaf tea. You don't want to miss out the stick and stay. Yes, for this month of September, I will be, giving you 2 videos. Yes, my people, 2 videos per week. Yes, so you want to stick around for that. You don't want to miss anything. It's on Thursdays and Sundays. On Thursdays and Sundays. Yes, my people. So 2 videos for the month of September. Yes, my people. So yeah, you want to stick around for that. Look out for my videos and remember to share, like, subscribe, and tell a friend, my people. Yes, and let them join the Music and Country Life family, where we keep it real and natural and nice. Yeah, we promote healthy living. Yeah, and it's all about living in the country. Yes. Now, these are the top benefits from drinking SOURSOP leaf tea. Now, it gives healthy skin. It promotes healthy hair. Yes, my people. And you have problems sleeping? It is a herb that is sedative, means it puts you to bed with ease. Yes, my people. So this is the tea to drink. Yes, and if you have problems with high blood pressure, it's giving you a hard time, this is the tea to drink. It does fight infection and it boosts the body's immunity. It does help with pain. It helps to relieve pain and rheumatic ailments. So if you have ulcers, this does help with fighting ulcers. It is good for those who are struggling, with their diabetes as well. Yes, and it does carry natural cancer fighting properties as well. So this is the tea for you. And this is SOURSOP tea with a little difference. So you want to stay tuned, stay connected for that. And there we go. That's it. And here we have the SOURSOP leaf, my people. Yes. The water is boiling, so now we're going to add the SOURSOP leaves for you. Yes. And you will allow it to boil. Oh, yes. For about, give it a good boiling, about 3 minutes. Yeah. Yes, so now we're gonna check on the pot, my people. Oh yes, and look at that, you can see it's boiling nicely, my people. And now we're gonna add the ginger to it. Yes, goodness. Oh yeah. And after you add the ginger, you will allow it to boil, yes, for another 2 minutes. All right. Yes, so this is how we do it in the country. Yes, it's SOURSOP leaf tea. Yes, my people, your body will love you for this. Oh yeah, there you have it. It is all done. Yeah. The SOURSOP ginger tea. And remember, you can sweeten to your liking. Yeah. So until next time, stay tuned, stay connected for another exciting video. Yeah.